Hello friends, in this video you will be listening to the important questions from Fundamental Rights and Directive Principles of States in Indian Constitution. This is the fourth part out of 5. For more parts, check the description or playlist mentioned above. Which fundamental right according to Dr. Ambedkar is like the heart of the Constitution? Right of constitutional remedies. Which of the following would be called a secular state? The state which does not discriminate between religions. In which part of the Indian Constitution the fundamental duties are enshrined? Part 4A. How many types of writs can be issued by the Supreme Court? 5. The Directive Principles of State Policy has been adopted from which constitution? Irish Constitution. Dual citizenship is an important feature in which form of government? Federal. Consent of the people means consent of majority of the people. The essential feature of democracy is giving prominence to the citizen. Political equality is found in universal adult suffrage. What was the exact constitutional position of the Indian Republic when the Constitution was brought into force with effect from 26 January 1950? A sovereign democratic republic. In Indian Constitution, fundamental rights were taken from the Constitution of USA. Who can impose reasonable restrictions over fundamental rights? Parliament. How many fundamental duties are in the Indian Constitution? 11. The term secular was added in the preamble to the Indian Constitution by 42nd Amendment. Which of the following is not guaranteed by Indian Constitution? Right to free education for all. Not to destroy the government property is a civil duty. Which one of the following writs literally means "what is your authority"? Quo warranto. Separation of the judiciary from the executive has been provided in one of the following parts of the Indian Constitution. The Directive Principles of State Policy. By which of the following modes can citizenship be acquired? By birth, hereditary, by registration, by request. 1, 2 and 3. Indian citizenship is granted by the Ministry of Home Affairs. Fundamental rights in India are guaranteed by it through right to constitutional remedies. Where in the Indian Constitution has economic justice been provided as one of the objectives? Directive principles. What is the minimum age prescribed in India for its citizens to cast their vote? "18 years. Fundamental duties were incorporated in the Indian Constitution on the recommendation of Swarn Singh Committee. Which of the following categories of citizens of the prescribed age may be registered as a voter? Non-resident citizens. Who called the DPSPs as instruments of instructions to the states? Thank you for watching and supporting us.